Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Roblox gift card. I wonder why you want to know how to use Roblox gift card. Maybe because you're a fan of Roblox and you have purchased a Roblox gift card, but you don't know how to use it, how to redeem it, and how to avail the Roblox from that. So don't worry, whatever the reason it could be for you, in this video I'll show you how easily you can use a Roblox gift card. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. Now just simply tap on the icon of the Roblox app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. Here at the top you could see we have these three options. You just have to simply click on the middle one, and there you will see that we have different options through which we could purchase different packages, but we don't have any option through which we could use the gift card. So the main purpose of using the gift card is actually redeeming it and then availing some Robux from it. So therefore you have to go to any browser of your choice. I'm going with a Google Chrome. Once you get there you will find a search bar. On this search bar you have to search for roblox.com/gift cards. Once you tap onto it, you will land onto this website. Once you get here, there you will see an option at the top right which says redeem card. You just have to simply specifically tap onto it. But if you don't have a card, then you can simply purchase it from clicking on shop gift cards. But you already have one, then simply go for redeem card. Now it will just take a while, and now it will ask you to get login. So just simply enter your username and password and login. Once you get here, just simply click onto these three lines and then simply click onto the second last option, gift card. Now it will just take a while to load, and after that you will get here. Now again you have to click onto this redeem card option. Once you click on it, now if you have a physical card, then on the back side of it there you will find a code. First you have to scratch the card, then you will find a code, and now you have to type that code here. Otherwise, if you have a virtual card like me, then just simply copy paste that and click on redeem. Now it will just redeem your code and then will send some Robux to your account. Now just simply get back to the app by minimizing it. Once you get to home, click on the app, and once the app gets open, now you can go to your profile, and then you can just simply go to this option which is on the middle of the down page. There you will see different option to customize. Simply we want to use the gift card, so just simply buy different products. First we have redeemed the card, now it's time to use the gift card. So you can purchase different items, different kind of hairstyles and other stuff to make your avatar better. So whatever you like, you just have to simply click on it and then you can purchase it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can use gift cards on Roblox. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.